In this video, I will tell you how to import transition presets, add LUT for color, and insert MOGIT in Premiere Pro. For the first method, I will show you how to import transitions presets. Make sure the file you download is in PREPCET format. Go to the Effects panel. Open the Presets folder. Right-click, select Import Presets. After that, look for the folder where we saved the preset file. If it has been found, select Open. The preset for transitions has been added and I can use it. And now I'm going to try one of the transitions that I just imported. Each preset transition has a different way to use it. In the transition that I want to use, I have to cut the clips and nest the two pieces of the clip. The transition that I use is working properly. And next is how to import LUT for color grading. Make sure the file you download is in .cube format. To make it easier to do, I'll use the color workspace. Before adding the LUT, I will make an adjustment layer first. And then place an adjustment layer above the video clip. To import the LUT file, click on the Input LUT section. And then select Browse. The next step, look for the folder where we saved the LUT files. If it's found, select the LUT file, then select Open. And now the LUT file has been inserted into Premiere Pro and can be input to the adjustment layer. In the last tutorial, I'll show you how to import a MOGIT file to Premiere Pro. To make it easier to do that, I'll use the graphics workspace. Before entering it, make sure the file you download is in the Motion Graphics template format. And to import the file, click the Install Motion Graphics template icon at the bottom right. And after that, find the MOGIT file. If it's found, select the MOGIT file. And then select Open. On the Motion Graphics text panel, the installed MOGIT template will appear. On Premiere Pro on this laptop, I have installed several templates. I will use one of the templates that I have added. To do that, we just need to drag and drop the template onto the timeline. Each template usually has different settings. In this panel, we can edit existing texts. In the template that I use, the position and scale can be changed. And I can also change some of the font and shape colors in this template. That's how to import transition presets, add LUT for coloring, and insert MOGIT to Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.